Alright, yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Today we are on the way to Ubud, and we just got the idea. It's actually a good idea to show you the Penestenan street. You may be familiar with Penestenan or you may not, but this is part of Ubud and a lot of things is going on here. So let's have a spin around. Alright, so let's get started with the beginning of the street. This is still like a little bit of the local village. You can see some Balinese grandma walking here, but soon behind the corner, behind passing little bit of the forest, there will be like a proper village of Penestenan, but some tourists already walking here mixed with the locals like this lovely lady. And then you have to go down little bit through the little Kayon jungle like. Have to be careful always how to drive. This is little bit dangerous here when it's raining. Because you know, mountains, small roads, dark and stuff, but time to time you can find something. Then you have to go up. This lady is walking here, she is very brave, and this guy also here. Actually that's the lady with the flip-flops. Sayang, hold on, don't fall down. This is like, you know, going through the mountains. And then here you go, it's the beginning of Penestenan village, which is considered as the tourist Penestenan village. In general, Penestenan is very popular for the yoga, meditation, generally yoga studios, classes, art centers as well, vegan restaurants like one of here, cacao ceremony, sun ceremony, and any other things what is good for some people. Arts, paintings. There is also the way going to alchemy, yoga, meditation center, as I mentioned, and vegan, vegetarian restaurants, and all of those stuff. What I gonna tell you, this is not necessarily my kind of stuff, but you can find this, and I know as many of you are also interested and familiar with it. Also, this land is this area is often crowded with the traffic jam, like this one for example. Pardon my words, but sometimes I focus driving and talking to you. Also, time to time you can find some hotels like this one, resort and spa, but generally it's like this one. Actually, whoa, look at this guy, look at him, whoa.
This one is actually the shortcut also to go to Ubud Center, right?
Yes, we're using this road actually pretty often going to Ubud, because you can arrive from the other side, from the art market side or Jalan Bisma side. You can skip a lot of traffic jam actually, especially on Jalan Monkey Forest and the other side of Ubud. So we often use this road, but we usually not film here because, well, this is not really necessarily place where it's easy to walk, or it's not necessarily big area where there's a lot of things going on, but it's definitely worth to mention and worth to show you. But also the road here is a little bit challenging, especially if you drive a car, because there are some corners here are really small. And today we are actually lucky, there's not so busy, if I can say like that. We actually stuck right now, but I found out as this street sometimes is more busier than today. And now is the most dangerous part at the front of the Zest. I think it's called Zest.
Yes, this is famous restaurant for the vegan restaurant, vegetarian, you see.
Yeah.
Like this place almost.
Yeah, like actually, you know, vegetarian, vegan, but very traditional look, very Balinese like, with, you know, jungle vibe and everything. Anyways, now we are going down, like really, this is like a hill, which is very difficult to driving a car, but passing by bike is not much easier in general. And then there will be the main street going either to Ubud Center or to the Bintang supermarket and the other parts of Ubud actually. But this is it. This is how does it look like. They have some officers now helping with the traffic. This is also area of the Blanco Museum here, and overall the bridge, famous bridge where we actually used to film, because there is one old warung here and the entrance to the Champuhan Ridge Walk, but the traffic is horrendous already. It's 5 p.m., middle of the week, and look at that. This is all traffic is going from the Jalan Monkey Forest, from the art center, from the central Ubud, where we're actually heading now, but we're gonna go by the Bisma Street because to skip another traffic, but wanted to show you. We already passed the entrance to the Champuhan Ridge Walk, but here this area is also nice to drive, especially as the weather is very nice today. A lot of people walking, very jungle vibe. You don't need to go to Monkey Forest to feel the jungle in Ubud, and there are no monkeys here, so it's actually safer to walk. No monkeys will jump on you. And basically this is the road leading directly to the Ubud Center. Ubud Center, but of course there are other few things around what you could find. Many shops, many boutiques. Little bit less tourists walking here because the walking distance is not that obvious, but already, let's say, this is already considered as the Ubud Center, starting here. And this is it. This is it. We're gonna upload this video a few days later after we film it, so you see actually previously the Ubud Center, and it's very busy. And we are trying to enter to Jalan Bisma right now. Here we go. What's going on? The road is broken. What's happened here? Maybe probably after the rains last time, the road is broken again. And this is the Jalan Bisma. Actually, I filmed here like a month or 2 months ago, but a little bit at the beginning I can show you today. Little bit like a driving vlog to show you something in Ubud, what is different. Jalan Bisma, of course, either is, surrounds with the busy parts of Ubud. Bisma itself is very cozy and very calm. Actually, I start liking this place more and more after they open it after pandemic. I mean, it was always open, it's just the street, but it was simply, very quiet here. But now, everything is open again and seems alive again, especially for the Bisma vibe, which is still quiet, which is still last chance for Ubud and for you to enjoy nearby the center, but quieter than the Ubud Center.
And I read that this area, Hania, last time somebody, locals from Ubud told me the land price here for 1 ara, 1 billion rupiah. Right?
1,100,000,000. I remember that was the guy in the small coffee shop actually told you that. I was next to you. That's the proper price of the land here. I mean, you could buy the house already in Europe for that money. It's crazy here. But for some reason they become so hype area, so expensive. And still there are some people who buying it, so that's the thing.
There's even Circle K here in the middle.
Yeah.
Wow, and the building, look on the left. This is what I told you, the building in Ubud is just simply unstoppable.
Yeah, the building on the 1,100,000,000 land. That's actually crazy if you are thinking about that. But this is it. This is it. Jalan Bisma for everybody who are interested. Chopper dog.
Yeah.
Very interesting name.
And I read also in Jalan Bisma there are some guest house or some hotels here, which is still affordable price. And lucky that there is still some rice paddies left. But what I can say then, people keep building here.
Yeah, but you can find some nice restaurants and now small boutique hotels here. Like this one, like a Goja, or whatever you call it. Boutique resorts and some people strolling around. I mean, it's totally opposite to the art market area in the central location of Ubud. Either it's very close actually to the central location, so I think personally, after more times I'm coming here, as this area have potential and is pretty enjoyable and pretty worth it to come and visit if you're planning to stay in Ubud and you don't want to be like a half hour or 1 hour, outside the city center of Ubud, village center, because Ubud is not the city, but you got the point. You can find the hotels like this one, for example, at Diwana, which is still nice and be surrounded with the still rice fields and empty street.
Rice field.
Not too many people, so worth consideration. This one or Jalan Penestenan as well. However, Penestenan can have a traffic. We were lucky today, but can be very crowded. But overall, this is still near to the Ubud center, you know what I mean? Because otherwise, if you go somewhere outside, like other village, like a Taro village. Taro village, for example, is beautiful, but it's so far to the center, You're
Look
gonna
like
go.
on the left. See the building is just like unstoppable.
Yeah, it's just, that's the price of development, right?
Yeah.
But can you imagine, land here is like $80,000 American per hour.
Oh, look on the
100
right side.
meters.
There will be something, like this one. Kamala Resort will be built here. Wow.
There is already, I think. They have a road already.
Oh,
they have a
yes.
lobby already. This is it. And this is actually the end of the Jalan Bisma. So accidentally we covered today the two streets, Jalan Penestenan and the Bisma Street. I don't know where is go to straight. I never go there. I want to try, actually.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a good idea.
Let's
Actually
go.
here. Okay, let's have a look. What is there?
Oh, what is it? Seems like there is event here.
Some fancy place, actually, here. The-
Gereja Prana Bisma. Like I told you, there are many hotels here. You can go straight, probably showing still, the rice paddies.
I think
which
it's
is
private road, but it's okay. We can have a look. I think there are villas everywhere on the left and
Yeah.
on the right, surrounds with the rice fields and
Yeah.
everything. And I think this is already the private property of one of the hotel here.
Alright, so now we just decided to show you the shortcut where the local always going to
Yeah.
skip from the Ubud traffic.
Yeah, but this traffic jam you can skip like we did today, but only if you drive a bike. Unfortunately or fortunately, this shortcut is not suitable for the cars. So, because of here the road is finishing and it's like a small alley only, passing the river. Well, technically the bridge is still big, you could pass the car, but after that the road is finished. And I think it's made in purpose like that, to keep it like that way, because only people who are familiar, they know this shortcut, like this one. Thank you. And we arrive in magic way to the Jalan Monkey Forest, next to the monkey forest itself. Here we go. That's the Jalan Monkey Forest. Today, here we go. That was beautiful, right? Isn't it?
Alright, so we just arrived in Jalan Monkey Forest. This is how it is nowadays. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.